Dadar always had programs on various grounds, political, historical and literary. And Dada had a pride in middle class life. So it looked with disdain at fancy things. We grew up in a very simple atmosphere where you don't ask for many things, you don't crave for many things. It was a very simple but very authentic atmosphere. This was pre-Shiva Sena, pre-67. Afterwards, of different cultures came in. To be happy in what you are having, that was important. And to be at that time, I think Bombay people had that atmosphere. I was very small, 10, around 10. Dada Saheb Gaikwad said, I'll put you on the stage and you speak. I was taken aback, but then later life I felt that being put on the stage by Dada Saheb Gaikwad was a sign. And that day I saw Ambedkar very near, and my school was opposite Rajgruha. So that way we were near Ambedkar also, and we used to peep in and see his library. And he had a very noble dog. Later on, I read Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and then I felt his work which we needed for the country. But to begin with, it was his popularity. And I had somehow maybe a craving sort of thing to read serious literature, serious essays. Agarkar, Jyotiba Phule was slightly later on because Jyotiba Phule was not available in that sense. But I read all those articles, and that way I felt that I should go in for teaching and must do some work with the social element. I'm not a full-time social worker. I did my college and I did this. You have to have the urge to work. When you see a problem, seeing a problem is quite different. Our social work, what lacks is imagination. Most of our politicians don't have imagination. Like Baba Adha or Mrunal Tai, they had imagination and they had an immediate rapport with the people there. See, that is something I caught on. I wasn't in Mrunal Tai's movement as such, but I saw it from there. She used to use props. She was very dramatic about it. She had a movement against Kilachan for the oil. She had movement against ration food that we get. Women on the street, the police women also. The police women used to say, "Bhai, amcha hacha number gya." She had this theory that we must ask women who have crossed 40, 50 and their children are grown up now. So they should be roped in for the movement. You won't imagine the middle class crowd which used to come. So that was a strong point in Mrunal Gauru's movement. There was a very spirited woman called Karkare. She used to work as a press person in Vadhara. So we could use her to get the material for anti-emergency printed, and then I started circulating it. I also dropped it in police thana. And I used to keep it on the library table also when nobody was looking up. People were taken aback. Where did it come from? That was possible. But very few women were there. And we used to have meetings inside in this house and ask Ananta to go out and lock us. And then we used only paper plates and things, and we had a whole day seminar there. There was surveillance, but it was weak, I think. Because once or twice I was caught at very difficult places, and I opened the door and the inspector was there. So he just smiled, but nothing happened afterwards. But when Indira Gandhi was coming to Bombay, they put me in house arrest for a day. They came to the college and they wanted to sort of intimidate me. That day, if they had come to the house instead of college, there was so much material in the house. Once I was attacked by Shiva Sena women in the house. They saw that my husband was going out and they barged in and immediately took the telephone away. The day before, I had said that ठाकरे and ठाकूर, the वसई भाई ठाकूर, यांच्यात फक्त एका मात्रेचा फरक आहे. So they said, why did you say it? I said, when Thackeray talks about women, why don't you react? They said, no. If he talks about women, then the women must be like that. So then we had a matter for a while. They had a person with black powder, but they didn't apply it red. And they went after the discussion. After that, there was a police protection for a while. Ramesh Kenny was killed mysteriously. On that day, there was so much heavy rain that no Asiad bus had reached. The trains were cancelled. And yet, he went to Alcatraz. That was one point in it. And when his body was brought to Bombay, there was a doctor next door. Kenny stayed just a building away from us, and the doctor advised her. He said that they can't bring the body like this. When they're crossing the border, they have to have a second postmortem. And in that second postmortem, it was seen the brain is missing. And later on, that brain was missing. We made a case of it, and in fact, the case really turned in our favor. I used a Sanskrit text, and the text said that the boy has to give Agni to the father from the brain, and if some other from the legs. So I made a point in it that he has lost his right son because there wasn't brain in that body. And so this missing brain became an issue. Somehow, even with the media, it caught on. In fact, for me, it was an accidental thing. But I always refer to it as a neighborhood case. Because in Kenny case, the lawyer also belonged to our, he has a garage and office just 3 buildings away. The doctor who helped her for a second post-mortem, which was important, was staying next door. I don't feel the fear, and sometimes it touches you, and when you think rationally, you don't feel the fear. I'm talking about the time when the right to information wasn't there. So it was, in a sense, a difficult time. You have to have fearless intervention, and I see people around who are ready to do it. So I think there is hope